Welcome to the AlJazari channel. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I don't think people understand how powerful exponential smoothing can be. Enter exponential smoothing, a forecasting technique that's as elegant as a spiral galaxy and surprisingly straightforward. Imagine gazing at a distant star. Its light, traveling across light years, tells a story of the past. Exponential smoothing uses a similar principle, blending past observations to illuminate future trends. It's a powerful tool for anyone dealing with time series data, from stock prices to weather patterns, and yes, even ice cream sales. The beauty of exponential smoothing lies in its simplicity. The formula, though it might seem daunting at first glance, is actually quite intuitive. It tells us that today's forecast is a weighted average of yesterday's forecast and yesterday's actual observation. The weight given to yesterday's forecast is determined by a smoothing parameter called alpha. Alpha. The formula essentially says, to predict tomorrow, consider both what you predicted yesterday and what actually happened yesterday. Let's say you run an ice cream shop and you want to predict how many scoops you'll sell next week. You have data on sales for the past few weeks. Using exponential smoothing, you can combine your previous forecast with the actual sales figures to generate a new, more accurate forecast. For example, if you predicted selling 100 scoops last week but actually sold 110, your forecast for this week would be adjusted upwards, reflecting the higher-than-expected demand. This process of continuous adjustment allows your forecasts to adapt to changing patterns in your data. Now let's talk about alpha. Alpha, the smoothing parameter. Alpha is like a tuning knob on your forecast. It determines how much weight you give to the most recent observation versus the past forecast. A high alpha, closer to 1, means you're putting more emphasis on recent changes, making your forecast more responsive to sudden shifts, but potentially more volatile. A low alpha, closer to 0, gives more weight to past data, resulting in a smoother forecast that's less sensitive to short-term fluctuations. Choosing the right alpha is crucial. It's like finding the perfect balance between stability and responsiveness. Too much emphasis on the past, and you might miss out on emerging trends. Too much focus on the present, and you risk overreacting to noise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.